In this video, I will show you how to leverage the power of artificial intelligence to master your project management workflow by tracking your Monday.com sprints using Claude. Managing a complex sprint can often feel like juggling a dozen moving pieces at once, but combining your project data with a powerful language model can provide clarity that a standard dashboard might miss. The first step in this process is to prepare your data. Head over to your Monday.com sprint board and use the export feature to download your entire board as a spreadsheet. This file contains all the vital information about your task statuses, assigned team members, and story points that Claude will use for its analysis. Once you have your file ready, open a new chat window on the Claude website and locate the paperclip icon in the message bar. Click this icon to upload your exported spreadsheet directly into the conversation. Now that the data is uploaded, you need to provide a specific prompt to get the best insights. Instead of just asking for a summary, you should instruct Claude to analyze the sprint board with precision. You can ask it to calculate the total story points completed versus what was originally planned to see if your team is hitting its targets. Furthermore, ask Claude to identify the top 3 bottlenecks that are slowing down progress and to highlight any team members who might be carrying an unbalanced task load. Claude will instantly process the data and provide you with a detailed breakdown that helps you make informed decisions for your next stand-up meeting.